Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Good work, Charlie. Bueno.
She wanna picture with Tommy. You know she come from the country. She don't afford Tommy. She can't afford Tommy.
I tried to recreate Ariana Grande's makeup in her breathing video. If you want to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna start off by priming my face with, not priming, I'm gonna start off by moisturizing my face. Use this, it's brand new. My hands are literally complete different colours. Why do my hands look green? They're actually not. For foundation, I'm using the Bananna Conceal and Perfect. So to blend that out, I'm just gonna use like a flat kabuki brush. It has fluff on it. Usually I would do my eyebrows first, but I'm literally putting it all in my eyebrows. Probably shouldn't have done that. Yeah. I'm gonna be using the Estee Lauder Double Wear. My mom gave me this. I don't even, but it's good. It's really good, but it's probably mega expensive. So I'm also gonna be using the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer in the shade Lemon. With the Estee Lauder concealer, I'm just gonna put it on here. And then put it on my chin. And like that on my forehead. With the Collection concealer, I put it like in the inner corner. Because I want in there to be more brighter, yeah. And also put it in the center of my forehead. For contour, I use like a darker shade foundation, and this is L'Oreal True Match. I don't put on too much. I also can blend my contour with anything other than like a fluffy type of brush. I don't know how people do it with like dense brushes. Now I'm gonna bake my face with the Revolution banana powder. So I'm gonna use the Rimmel Sun Shimmer Bronzer. Oh, and the bottom of my brush fell off. I'm using this weird brush, I don't know, I think it's from Amazon or something. And then I'm using this bronzer from Avon that my mum gave me. And then with this brush, that's what I'm gonna blend it out with. For eyeshadow, I'm gonna use like a mixture of palettes, but the first palette I'm gonna use is the Morphe 35R. I'm gonna go with this shade first. I might put a little bit of powder underneath my eyes so that if any fallout comes, I can just brush it off. Okay, so for carving out my brows, I'm gonna use the Estee Lauder concealer again. Well, not carving out my brows, kind of just putting concealer on my eyelids because I haven't done my eyebrows yet. Now I can do eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm just gonna like Put it in the crease. And then I'm gonna go in with this color to make it a little bit darker. So in the video, she kind of has like a shimmery color over her lid. So I'm thinking of using this shimmer color. Might use a loose pigment. Barium Dazzle Dust. I don't know. You can see that. I don't know what shade it is, but like it's like kind of coppery. I'm just gonna use this color underneath her eyes. My eyes. Underneath my eyes. I'm gonna use this weird brush. I'm gonna use this dark color. Really just like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna put on some mascara, and this is the Maybelline Great Lash mascara. I'm gonna use this little brow brush. And you can't literally see it, but it's just like square. I'm gonna use the Barium eyebrow kit kind of. So for highlighter, I'm gonna use the MAC Whisper of Guilt. So for lips, I'm gonna use 3 things, and the first one is a lip liner. It's the Rimmel lip liner in Call Me Crazy. Then I'm gonna use the Ariana Matte Me Up in the shade Paparazzi. I'm just like waiting on it getting on my teeth. Hers is kind of not as matte though, so I'm now gonna use this Ted Baker red lipstick, and it's like a lot more glossier, but I'm only gonna put it in the center. So I'm gonna then set my face with the MAC Fix Plus again. Enjoyed this video, and please like, comment and subscribe. I will be posting more videos now because I can now like edit them. See, before everything had to be edited on my phone, so hopefully there'll be more videos up more often than there was, because I literally haven't posted since like August, I think. But yeah, hopefully it won't be that long until I post again. I want to be doing like videos, more like challenges as well. Like I don't want to just focus on makeup. I want to have like a fun channel and like do pranks and like challenges and stuff. So if you have any ideas on any videos I can do, please please leave them in the comment section. Bye.
Good work, Charlie. Bueno.
She want a picture with Tommy. You know she come from the country. She never afford Tommy. She can't afford Tommy.